Guys, so welcome back to my channel. We're in my bathroom again. And you guys know what that means, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobby. We're in my bathroom, which we're normally not in my bathroom, but this time today we're going to do a review of some products. And if you guys are feeling generous today, you know, like hopefully you are, you know, every day, but if you guys could go down below and make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe button, and don't forget to put on post bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now that that's out of the way, hi, we're gonna do a product review of two things. Okay, so we're gonna have a little bit of spa time today because this is like my only day off. I work like 6 days a week basically, so I really like to enjoy my days off. So if I'm not doing crazy makeup on my days off, I like to do spa time. So we're gonna do spa time, and so I have the Matykos. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything, but it's a bubble mask. It's a green tea mask, and this is what the packaging looks like for that. And then we're also going to be doing this. It's a Supreme glowing lip mask, and this has 15 of them in it. I'm super excited, you know, about these. I read the instructions on the side of the box for this, and it says you need to start with a clean face. My face is clean, my hair is clean, everything's clean. Let me get my hair out of my face first.
I don't know why I do this to myself on camera every single time. Packaging plays me every time. This is bullshit.
Not that I'm monetized, but future Bobby wants to be monetized, you know what I'm saying? So we have to whisper the bad words. Anywho, so it says for this that we are supposed to clean our face, take an appropriate amount and evenly apply it with the applicator. Wait 5 to 10 minutes until a great, rich, and delicate bubbles will be all over my face, and I'll notice a mild itchiness on my face. That happens when I get a chemical peel. Oh no. And gently massage it all over the face to melt down the mask, and then remove the mask and it will be compressed. Remove the mask using the compressed facial sponges. Place the sponge under water to increase the size, and apply your favorite moisturizer afterward. Okay, so we have this little thing right here.
Okay. It has no sponge.
Okay. We might be just rinsing it off like normal. We have a little rubbery silicone applicator, and this is what the mask looks like. Has a little thingy-majig on the top. I like it whenever products do that. It has a little extra seal at the top. Okay. Oh, this feels like a gel, basically. It says take an appropriate amount. And I'm like really inappropriate, so like this is hard. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking so I can speed through this. Okay, so now that I have this on my face, I am going to set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. It said 5 to 10, but let's say 10. See you guys in 10 minutes. Hi guys. The fuck? Or excuse me. I have a lot going on right now. I feel like I'm like one of those kids that's in the bath and they just scoop the bubbles and put it on their face. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I just breathed out and I could feel the bubbles move. This is crazy. Okay, I didn't feel any itching, but it does feel hot. And I feel a little bit claustrophobic because I can like see it creeping up on underneath, and like on here it just feels like a lot. So I'm gonna get this off of my face. So basically they said to rub it down and then rinse it off with a compression sponge. I don't know what they're talking about, compression sponge. It says it's supposed to come with 10 compressed sponges, but there's no compressed sponges in here. I don't know what I'm supposed to use in place of that, so right now I'm just gonna rinse it off. So they already get like a bad tick mark because they didn't send me the stuff. And then I don't even know if this is gonna work how it's supposed to. So, oh, so many, oh my goodness. It feels so weird. Oh my gosh. It feels like I still have like a bunch of that gel on my face. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so this is massaged down. So I still have a good amount of product on my face. It didn't go anywhere. It's just moved around and unoxidized, I think. So I'm gonna rinse my face off, and hopefully that does what the compression sponges are supposed to do. I also wonder if I left it like this, if like it would bubble up again. I think it would. Can you hear that? Okay, and I'm gonna rinse it.
Okay, team.
The second part of this review video is these Supreme Glowing Lip Kit masks. So basically there's 15 of these inside of this box, and this is what they look like. And I'm gonna just read you guys the instructions over here. It says I'm supposed to cleanse my lips with water and then tap dry. They're already dry. Real dry. That's why I got these. Duh. Anyways, use a tiny amount of lip scrub like this one and gently massage my lips. Okay. So it wants us to already have lip scrubbed our lips. Seems like a dual process. Okay, so I'm gonna use this much of my lip scrub. And just in case if you're curious, I'm using the new Bobbi Pina Colada, come on focus, lip scrub. And this stuff is awesome. And it kind of leaves your lips tasting pretty good afterwards. So I normally rinse this off with water, which I'm gonna get the little granules off of my lips, and then that's it. Okay, granules are off. And then it says, open the lip mask sachet, take out the mask and massage it gently to ensure good contact with your lips. And then leave 20 to 30 minutes for the lip mask to fully absorb. Oh, I just made a coffee. It's still warm even. Okay, most of it's gone, so we can't be wasting, okay? There's starving children in downtown Oklahoma City. So let's open the little sachet. Also, let me set my timer. I set a timer for most things because I will forget, or I'll just can't be bothered after that. Aisha knows what I'm talking about, and then I'll just take it off. But if I have a timer, I'll be like, no, I have this many minutes to wait till I'm done. Okay. And while I'm waiting for it to be done, what does it say? 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna put it at 25. We'll meet in the middle. Okay, so 25 minutes on the clock. My little brother messaged me. We're gonna go to the mall today. I haven't been to the mall in like a year, guys. It's been forever. Why am I so yellow? Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So taking it out of the little satchel. Oh no! Some of the juice got on my phone. It dripped on my phone. Okay. So I'm gonna take it out. It's in a little tray right here. Ooh. Okay. Press it on the lips. It said to press it on there. There's a hole in case you need to breathe good. I feel like I look like a blow-up doll. And for sure you're probably not supposed to talk, so I'm gonna go watch Teen Mom 2 and I'll be right back in 25 minutes. Okay, so I'm back from watching my TV program, y'all, and I don't think you can really tell the difference in this lighting especially, but I can see like where it kind of indented onto my lips, indented onto it, and some of the pigmentation from this little jelly thing is, I'm sorry, I gotta put this down because I'll just keep jiggling it like that. So these are my lips. They do look a lot more plump, but there's gotta be something in this that, because it was burning a little bit and I was like, what is that? Like, why is it burning a little bit? So just be warned, it's gonna burn your lips just a little bit. I think it has like plumping kind of stuff in it, and I never use plumping stuff, so maybe that's why it affected me so much. But my lips do look a lot smoother, which I like. So I'll probably use these. I can't say that it's gonna be like a repurchase because I haven't been wearing too much matte lipsticks, and I would want to use that like right before I do like a whole shift somewhere or something like that with matte lipstick on. But the way masks are set up, I haven't been wearing any lipstick, maybe a lip tint or just some Carmex or something, but I haven't been wearing actual stuff on my lips. So yeah. But I feel like my face feels really refreshed. I don't know that it really did much. I have like a little tacky feeling to my face, but it did say to put moisturizer on top of it, so here we go. And I feel like I probably should have put on moisturizer before I did my lip stuff. That way, like, my face wouldn't be so red, because my face does get a little bit pinky whenever I touch it, just because my face is sensitive. But this is gonna be my look for today, you know. So I would say, if you were on, I'm going to link down below the Amazon thing. This came really quickly, so they get props for that. This didn't come with everything it was supposed to, and I don't really think it did much. Like, I have other face masks that I enjoy way more, and I just don't think I would repurchase this. I'm going to use it up because I have it, you know. But is it a repurchase? Probably not. Not for me. I think it's something really super fun to do, and I'm probably going to give it to my niece, to be honest. She'd be like, oh, Bubbles, yay. You know, she's 8, she don't care. But this, I will probably, I don't know if I'll repurchase. I'll give it a good few more tests, maybe update you guys later on. But it does work. It claims that it gives you like glowing. My lips are shinier than normal. They're definitely smoother than normal. Soft. They're like a dry soft, which my lips are normally like mostly soft anyways, because I take really good care of my lips. Thank you guys so much, everybody who commented on that video. Thank you for everybody who's going to comment on this video. And hopefully more giveaways are in the future and whatnot. I definitely have my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so I just need 500 more, you know. Okay, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.